on the Mickey and Friends parking structure at Disneyland. I have never used my Magic Key before, so this is going to be my first time here in 2023, my first time ever using a Magic Key. I'm very excited. It is neat entering the ticket plaza at night with no one here and the winter decorations still up. Christmas was over a week ago, so... Okay, so it did start raining just a little bit more, and I think because of the rain, the parade's going to be canceled tonight. Coming in was a little bit weird because they didn't give me a paper ticket. They said they're done with paper tickets, and they're done with plastic tickets too for passes. And if I wanted...
The performance of the Christmas Fantasy Parade has been delayed.
Okay, so that was just an announcement that the parade's been delayed, not canceled. Basically, if I wanted a printout ticket, just a paper ticket, they said it'd be $50. I mean, at that rate, I might as well just buy a Magic Band, which is cheaper and is my ticket. I like a printed ticket. I don't know if it's just me, but I prefer a printed ticket over a digital one. I don't like to be on my phone. Anyway, I don't really mind the rain because I'm from the East Coast, so it doesn't really bother me anyway. But I do love a Christmas tree. Wait, is this a mistake? Did this just happen? Look, the Christmas tree lights are out on the bottom. What? What's going on here? Now, all of you crazy people who blame Chapek for everything, you can't blame him now for this. This is under Iger's watch. Now, obviously, that was a terrible joke. I know neither of them would have anything to do with Christmas lights being out, but people seem to think they do. But I will say what I'm very excited about is seeing the castle all lit up in the winter lights. It looks beautiful. And in just a week, they're going to put the Disney 100 decorations up on it. And in just a couple days, they're going to start serving the Disney 100 food offerings around the park. Now that I've started to use my pass, I'm going to try and come back as much as possible to try everything new here at Disneyland because I love this park and I'm very excited to now be a Magic Key holder. I really don't know what to do. Maybe I'll grab dinner at Bengal Barbecue. Maybe I'll head over to Disney California Adventure. Let's head over to DCA because I have not seen Avengers Campus with winter decorations up yet. And heading out of the park, judging by these streets, I really don't think it's safe for the performers to do really any dancing on the streets. They might keep people that are on the floats if they end up running the parade, but remember, there are people skating in the streets and this is not even safe remotely. That being said, you can see the parade lit up backstage, so maybe they are going to run it. And I decided to head over to California Adventure, but before I did, I had to get a warm churro. That was the best food to get as my first food as a Magic Key holder. And then I watched the rainy day version of the Christmas Fantasy Parade, which I personally have never seen before. And they just basically removed all of the dancers. So like the skiers and all the performers that usually would be dancing were just walking the path. So I'm very excited because I want to maybe check out Festival of the Holiday. I want to check out Avengers Campus during the holiday season. Let's first check out wait times and see how they're looking. It looks like a lot of people are leaving the park. So it does look like World of Colors happening tonight. All the wait times are pretty low except for Web Slingers and Guardians and Monsters Inc. Weirdly, everything else is closed because of water. So right across from Grizzly River Run, they opened what used to be the queue for It's Tough to Be a Bug. This was the wall that you used to get down to It's Tough to Be a Bug, which was down there. But let's see what they have here. They have Southern mac and cheese. They have mac and cheese, pork, a sangria, and a non-alcoholic splash. Heading over to the next booth, they have Lox and Everything bagel nachos and curry mac and cheese. Nope, not for me. This one is called Visions of Sugar Plums, and they have potato stuffed corn muffin, a bourbon flavored tart made with Twix, and hibiscus mule. So let's head into Avengers Campus. Do they have any Christmas decorations? I will say though, Avengers Campus is looking pretty empty right now. They always inflate the wait times of Spider-Man for some reason. Like right now it's showing an 85-minute wait, but I'm sure I could do single rider and be on in 5 minutes. And I'm sure I could just do standby and be on in less than 30. Okay, well, this is new to me. I had no idea that Avengers Campus was an acronym, the Centralized Assembly Mobilized to Prepare. Using Phil Coulson's words, that to me sounds like somebody just really wanted their acronym to spell out campus. Yeah, so like I said, they're saying this is an 85-minute wait. They're not using any of the queue over here. They're just going back there. And I don't see anyone right now in line for single rider. Okay, heading into the single rider right now. Oh, it does look like we do have a bit of a line here. Single riders only go through the right pre-show room, so we're not going to be going into this one. But when we do go in, if we don't go through these doors, we head to the right here because there's a separate hallway for single riders. I didn't know that. I've never done single rider for this attraction before. that was pretty fun. I really enjoy web slingers. That was a great arm workout. I didn't do arm day today, so that was it. That was all I needed. I've never walked into web suppliers before. I've never checked out this gift shop, so I want to see what they have here. Maybe they started to sell magic bands. I see the spider bots over here, and they do have the specialty web shooters, and it looks like Spider-Man glasses, although I don't see where those are. I don't know if you can purchase those. Because of the rain, I don't see any characters out right now. I love Disneyland cast members. I was just walking through Avengers Campus, and I realized I still had my Avengers web slingers goggles on, and I started to walk back, and a cast member noticed I was doing that and said, "Hey, do you want me to bring your glasses back?" And I said, "Oh, sure." And they let me do that. It was so nice. Pretty interesting. This used to be first the Frozen queue for Frozen Live at the Pier. Then it was the Pin Test Kitchen seating area, and now it says Wakanda Forever. Seems like there are a lot of people going back this way. This is so cool. I love this. And they also replaced all of the banners on the outside of here too to all be Black Panther. So looking here at the Hyperion Theater, Santa's back. I love when they put Santa up here for the holidays. Right across from Mike and Sully is Flavors of Wakanda, which is a brand new booth to Festival of the Holidays. Let's see what they have. They have a dish called Mafe Peri Peri Chicken, Dwawa, which is an alcoholic beverage, and Butterfly PT Lemonade. So I wanted to walk through Radiator Springs just to see what it looks like at night during the holidays, and it's beautiful. But you already knew that, didn't you? And even when it's not Christmas, I just love coming here during the rain too, because it just makes beautiful reflections. Now, Radiator Springs Racers is one of the first attractions in this park to go down with any hint of rain. So this one's probably going to be closed for the night. Heading here into Pacific Wharf, you know, I think that this land would look a lot better with some Baymax. Okay, I wasn't planning on going on the Incredicoaster, but it does look like they're cycling it right now, and it does look like it's moving pretty quickly. I got in line at 8 p.m., so we'll see how long it takes. Okay, and it looks like we're getting to the front at 8:05 p.m. So leaving the Incredicoaster, which was just such a fun time. I absolutely love going on it at night. Believe it or not, after being an annual pass holder here for so long, working here, I've still never been on two attractions in this entire resort, and they happen to be right next to each other. The first is Jesse's Critter Carousel. I didn't even go on King's Triton's Carousel, which is what this used to be themed as, and I've never been on the Pixar Pal Around, which used to be Mickey's Fun Wheel. And also, I don't know if this counts, but I've never done any of the boardwalk games here. Right outside the Golden Zephyr is a Festival of Holidays booth called Merry Mashups, and this is the third booth I've seen that has a version of mac and cheese. Is that just a thing at Festival of Holidays? People just really like mac and cheese? Looking back at the Paradise Pier Hotel, it is odd not seeing the waves on the top of the hotel for the first time, and I can start to see the building turn white. This will become the Pixar Place Hotel. This is also new to me, that right across from Little Mermaid, this shop used to be completely full of Little Mermaid merchandise, and now it looks like it's just generic princess merch. I don't know why anyone would go on Grizzly River on this late at night. Now, Splash Mountain maybe, because it is closing soon, permanently. Entering the Grizzly Peak Airfield section right outside Soarin', I also can't tell you the last time I saw the lights on this plane, seeing the inside of it. Again, I don't know if it's just I haven't been here in a long time, or maybe it's just been recently refurbished. Can somebody tell me? So I've had a great time here at Disney California Adventure. I think it's time to teleport over to Disneyland because I have a couple attractions I want to do, and I still haven't had dinner yet. Here we are at Disneyland. So now heading back into the park, I don't think I'm going to watch the fireworks, but I might see it from another point in the park. I'm not sure. I know the castle is pretty, but Rise of the Resistance is only showing a 40-minute wait, which means it's probably less than that. Coming around by Hungerberry, you can see just how crazy foggy it is. This is all from Fantasmic and all the fire and smoke effects. Now we're following the boat over to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge to go ride Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. Heading into Rise of the Resistance right now at 9:29 p.m. We'll see how long this wait actually is. It says 40 minutes. But seeing as they are not using any of the extended queue, I can't imagine this is longer than 20. So we're entering the pre-show at 9:42. So that was a 12-minute wait.
This ship is under the control of the First Order. Everyone out and prepare for interrogation.
You might be wondering, why is there just a giant blue fog coming out behind this rock? Well, something has to light up The Rock's over here. I do have to check out Bengal Barbecue because I haven't had dinner yet, and this is my favorite place to eat in both parks. Okay, Pirates is a walk-on, so that's kind of a no-brainer. I think I have to do Pirates, right? Leaving Pirates of the Caribbean and passing Blue Bayou, heading through New Orleans Square right now. I have 2 attractions that I'm going to finish the night with, and I'm going to let you guess what one of them is. If you know anything about me, you know my favorite attraction at this park. And the first attraction is Haunted Mansion Holiday. This is pretty cool. We're skipping the entire queue and just walking right into the stretching room. Walking over to this side of the park, can you tell what the other attraction is? So as you can see in front of me, the Mark Twain is just finishing up. I feel like we saw this an hour ago, but we're heading this way because my last attraction of the day is Winnie the Pooh. No, I'm kidding. It's Splash Mountain. I'm doing Splash Mountain. So leaving Splash Mountain, I love that attraction. I had such a great time. I had a great time at the park. This was my first solo trip in a while. So thanks so much for watching this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.